In this video, I'm going to show you how to add apps and icons to your desktop on any computer running Windows 11 operating system. This is very simple and easy to do, and I'm going to show you how to do that. If you are new to this channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button, like this video, and turn on the notification bell. It will be greatly appreciated. In order to do this, you just simply click on the Start menu of your Windows 11. Here you will see all the apps that are pinned here. Now click on these All Apps. It will bring out all the applications that are installed in your Windows 11 PC. Now any of the app you want to take to your desktop, you can just click that particular app, then you drag it. You can see I've dragged this particular one. If you wish to drag another one to your desktop, you can just simply click on it, hold your mouse, then you drag it to the desktop. You can see with this, we've created the shortcut of this particular app on our desktop. If you wish to pin any apps to your taskbar, you can just click on this All Apps. Now locate that particular apps you want to pin on your taskbar. Let's say this calculator. Right click on it. You can see this More. Now click on this Pin to Taskbar. You will notice that this has been pinned to your taskbar. So this is also one way you can pin a particular apps to your taskbar. Alternatively, you can open that particular app you wish to keep on the taskbar. Let's take for instance, you wish to pin this particular Microsoft Word document to your taskbar. You can just either come over here, then you right click, you can see pin to the taskbar, or you click on it and open it. The moment it's open, you can right click on it here, you see pin to taskbar. Now if you close this, you still notice we have it on this taskbar. Now this makes for easy access to any apps or icons on your taskbar. Another thing you can likely do is for you to right click on your desktop, then click on Personalize. Once you click on Personalize, you locate these themes. Click on it. Now if you have clicked on the theme, you can see desktop icon settings. Click on this. If you wish to take any of these icons to your desktop, you can just check any of them and you click apply. You will notice that on the desktop, the icon of recycle bin is already here. And so this is also another way you can add the apps in your system to the desktop of that your particular computer. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like the video. It will be greatly appreciated. Thank you so much.